everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my TikTok feed and now here on YouTube. And you guys will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Now let's talk about the products. First product up is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow. Ooh. PHA+BHA Pore-Tight Toner. I have, of course, the sample size, which is 0.3 ounces. Then there is the mini size / travel size, 1.35 ounces. And then you have the regular size, which is 5.07 ounces. You can find this at glowrecipe.com, of course, Sephora / Kohl's possibly, and even Amazon, but it is sold by a different buyer.
So be careful there.
The mini size is $15 and the regular size one is $34. This should last around 8 months for you guys. Good. This is vegan, cruelty-free, clean, and apparently planet positive. Ooh. This is free of drying alcohol and synthetic dyes, phthalates, of course, parabens, mineral oil, silicones, and sulfates. This toner hydrates skin and tightens pores at the same time. It is also meant for all skin types. It preps, plumps, and smooths the skin to willingly absorb everything you use in your routine. This little guy is inspired by the Korean Aqua Peel Facial, and that focuses on hydrating and exfoliating the skin. It's very gel-like, kind of gives a little bit of a tackiness feeling. Ooh, very nice. It's kind of fun to play with. This toner makes your skin glow and feel pillow soft. Ooh. It has watermelon extract that hydrates, soothes, and helps improve appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Yeah. There is cactus water that has electrolytes and amino acids that help hydrate and retain the moisture. It gives the skin springy and stretchy texture. You also have PHA, which helps resurface, smooth skin, and help remove buildup of dead skin cells, which only means it helps exfoliate and hydrate. Key thing in this. It should be very effective retexturing and smoothing results with very little irritation. But still test it anyways. You never know. A little bit of some skin patch testing goes a long way. Next you have is BHA, an oil-soluble ingredient that helps penetrate the pore's outer surface and cleans it out, basically reducing the appearance of blackheads. Also in BHA is salicylic acid. Another key ingredient in this is hyaluronic acid that helps keep moisture in the skin and keeps it plump. Last in this, tea tree extract, which has antimicrobial properties to help clean pores and soothe any irritation. Can't forget about cucumbers, which have a high percentage of water to help cool the skin. The cucumber also has caffeic acid to reduce wrinkles, vitamin C to help brighten the skin, and of course, potassium for hydrating, of course. Now we have results. Woo! We love results. This one, though, only surveyed 31 women in 2 weeks, and then they have results for 4 weeks, but not with the same 31 women. It's with the just consumers out there, us. They put together a 4-week survey for consumers somehow. So for the 2 weeks, 100% saw a huge reduction in pore size.
That's great.
In 4 weeks, 100% feel their skin is hydrated and replenished. 96% agreed that it helps clean and clear their pores. Also, apparently, they see a difference in their skincare. And that's pretty much it. That's all we have. Now we're going to demo it on my face. Yeah. Okay, so here we go. You could use your palm if you want to. I like to use my palms and just push it on the skin like this. Or Or if you also want to, you could use a cotton pad, like a circle one. Sometimes I just have cotton balls. That's fine as well. Okay, there we go. And then just push it on the skin and your neck. I did cleanse my face, hence why everything was already, got my hair on my face and everything. I was prepped and ready. No makeup, by the way, either today. Washed and clean skin. All the way to naturalness. Yes. And yes, it does smell like watermelon. I think I smelled a cucumber too as well. Okay, I'm doing this side of my face only, by the way. And you guys, when it's really hot, it absorbs really quick. So once you put it on your hand, it absorbs fast. So try to like push it into your skin right away. Now, if you're using this as a spot treatment, they just highly suggest to, you know, put on one finger, and let's say I have a pimple right here, or a pore that needs to be tightened. You go right there and just press on it as well. No wiping, no rubbing, guys. Just push. That's it. Pat, 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 pat. They also suggest something really fun, you know, on a girl's sleepover night or something. But it might use a lot of your product. So they suggest that you could use this as a facial mask. You could get the cotton pads and then fill it up, you know, pour, pour, pour. And then just lay the pads on your face and leave it on for 10 minutes. Or, other than cotton pads, you could probably use, I believe they might sell on Amazon, like, I'm not too sure about this, but let me know in the comments if you guys seen them. I've seen them somewhere. Plain facial sheets. They're just the sheets itself, no chemicals or nothing on it. And then you dip it in to, you know, whatever you want to use, or you make your own remedy at home, dip it in and then put it on your face. 10 minutes and then let it absorb in the skin. Oh yeah. Now we're moving on to the next one, which is Innisfree. Woo, what? Innisfree Intensive Hydrating Toner with Green Tea Seed. Ooh la la. This is the sample size that I have. I got in a kit. It is 1.01 ounce. And the regular size is 6.76 ounces. You could get it at us.innisfree.com, of course Sephora and Kohl's, and Amazon. Sold and shipped by Amazon. Price of it is just $19 and it should last you around 12 months. Free of parabens, mineral oil, animal originated ingredients, polyacrylamides, silicone oils, synthetic colorants, triethanolamine, and imidazole limonol urea. A lightweight moisturizing toner that is filled with antioxidants and amino acids. Great for normal to dry skin. It is from a blend of green tea and green tea seed oil grown from Innisfree's USDA certified organic fields on Jeju Island in Korea. It helps support the natural moisture barrier, and it preps your skin for any routine that you have. First ingredient up is Jeju green tea extract that helps replenish hydration. Oh yeah. Next we have is Jeju green tea seed oil that helps to nourish and retain skin's moisture. Then there is Pathanol, which helps strengthen skin's moisture barrier. Boom. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Fragrance, soapy, like body wash almost. Interesting. No watermelon, no cucumber, just soapy smell.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to do this side. Again, either your palm or some cotton pads. This one is very, very liquidy. So it's almost like water. Not gel-like like the other one. This one's liquidy. Nice and wet. It goes into the skin real fast. Oh, I dripped some on my shirt. See, very liquidy. So just be careful. Try not to spill this one all over the place. A little bit goes a long way on this one. Oh, that's nice. Very refreshing. Their suggestion on this one, you could actually layer it up to 2 to 3 times. Of course, make sure your skin really absorbs it first before you decide to layer it on. Make sure it's fully dry, and then go ahead and then layer it on like up to 2 to 3 times, they said, before you put on your serum or moisturizer or sunscreen. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to get to the results. And here we go. Do 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 do. This is for the TikTok. Ooh. Boom! Glow Recipe 100%. Woohoo! And Innisfree 0%. Wah wah. So sorry, Innisfree. 0%. Okay, now we're moving on. Now to YouTube. Woo! YouTube results. These are the interesting ones right here. It's all you guys. Here we go, YouTube. Boom! Glow Recipe 75%. And Innisfree actually got 25% on this one. Woohoo! You almost made it there, champ. And Glow Recipe, congratulations! You are the winner. Everybody loves you. Woo, 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 woo. Probably the most popular skincare line I have ever seen in my life. Glow Recipe, yes. This is actually my first time trying Glow Recipe. I usually use Innisfree. I am used to it. I like the watery feel. Glow Recipe, very different to me. Very different. It does have a gel-like texture, which I thought was very interesting. The smell is fantastic. Yeah, I can't believe it actually smells like watermelon. It smells like something from like my younger years, like in your toys, like a smelling Barbie, you know, or something like that. Oh, chapstick, those chapsticks that smell like watermelon. Yeah, watermelon always reminds me of everything. I used to have braces, and they had to make mold out of my teeth, and they allowed me to choose a flavor, and they had a watermelon flavor. Oh, so good. So good. I was just like, oh, watermelon, wow. So I was trying not to eat it. No, just kidding. You had to sit there with it in your mouth for quite some time, but it was good. It was good. So congratulations, Glow Recipe. You are the winner, but I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear who voted for Innisfree. Let me know in the comments below. And why you liked it. And you could be featured in next week's video. Wouldn't that be cool? But if you voted for Glow Recipe, I want to hear from you too. Why'd you vote for it? Why you like it? Let me know in the comments below. Boom, 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 boom down here. And you could be featured in the next week's video as well. Woohoo! Are you guys seeing results from these guys after you use them? Or are you not seeing any results? Do you just like Glow Recipe because of the smell? Do you like Innisfree because it's a little bit more watery? What's the deal? I'd like to know in the comments below. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I got my Halloween decorations up. Yay! And I also have my little headband, this guy with the devil horns. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's it. See you guys all next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Yeah, bye.